What's up, Madonnas? So, I have a story that I want to share because I feel down and I I didn't get closure for this story that I'm going to share with you. I did not. It happened a while and I did not get closure. So I talked about it before, but I didn't have this much communication on my page with my supporters. So sometimes, you talk to somebody and you get their feedback on it. It it good to listen to other aspects, and which I really um read your comments, and sometimes I learn so much from the things them that you guys said in the comment section, and even message me afterwards after I do my videos them, and I really appreciate them because sometimes it made me think more of, you know, what if. So in 2015, when I was leaving Jamaica, I leave my mom and she was okay. She wasn't sick where she was going to doctor often and all that. She, I saw her right before I leave Jamaica and she was doing great. Me and her have a fish fry, I think, um, before I leave. Sh- um, I don't remember exactly when, but before I leave, I had a fish fry, me and her. That was the last time she spent at my house. I think it was 3 days, and we were seasoning up meat and cook and all of that stuff. So in 2016, I I decided that I'm gonna apply for her. No, the end of 2015, I decided to apply for a visa application for her. Um, them time there. I came here and I wanted her to come and visit. But going towards that, she got sick. Yeah. End of 20, she was sick. When I applied for the visa, she was sick, which is the end of 2015 to 2016. So I applied for the visa and it take a little time. My mom have a cold. This is what I remember. I'm just sharing what I remember. She have a cold. I used to talk to her very often. She used to walk me in on certain cooking that I'm doing, and if I don't remember how to cook it, or if I don't know how to cook it, I would walk her in. She would walk me through. Sorry, she would walk me through what I wanted to cook and tell me how to do it. So I used to communicate with her a lot more than anyone else, between she and my sister and one of my aunts in Jamaica. So I she was sick, have a cold on her chest. She go to the doctor, they give her antibiotic. For some reason, um, they were trying and it wasn't working. My mother is not like me. I'm like my dad. If I have a cold, I'm gonna get some garlic, some lemon, and some honey. She will go to the doctor. She's like that. So I said, Mom, just get some, leaf of life. And she don't drink bush. I think the only bush my mother drink, if I'm not lying, is mint. I don't even know if she drinks soursop leaf. So knowing that she grew up in another country like that, she not a bush person. All right. So she gets sick. Me and her talk. Boom. The medication where the doctor give her never did her work. Them send her go to the hospital. The cold still a rackle. Then send her go to the hospital. Truth be told, um, them have our me not go say which hospital down there should it there, but should it there one hospital down there. And all them do is say them I give her antibiotic, and every time somebody go down there, she they down there I think for maybe about 2 weeks. What do her? Them a try to get rid of the cold off her chest. She in a hospital. The doctor tell her say she must go do some tests at the hospital, and them admit her at the hospital. So them a try to get rid of the cold pan her chest. Every time when me video call, she have drip. She have drip. Me no know why not the drip. Me no know what them put in there with what kind of medication or what. Because it have to be some medication they have on pan drip. Remember, this is somebody will walk in a hospital, just have some cold pan her chest, right? That's what the doctor said. All right. So she gets sick. After she go to the hospital but from she come from the hospital, she start to have complain, but she no feel good and she no know all kind of like she keep on a go to the doctor. She no feel good. She wake up a morning time. She remember it was only coughing a go on with her, the cold on her chest. So we are look for say, I wonder if she gonna have pneumonia or something like that. She start to complain, say her chest a hurt her and she no feel good over here, so she start to feel sick. She go back at the hospital again. Ask what do her. After she go back like 3 months later, them say, something wrong with her heart. Remember, she been in the hospital for 2 weeks, She never have no heart problem. She go back at the hospital, they say something wrong with her, say her heart weak. And give her medication from she come from the hospital. Me I tell you guys, she's sick. 3 months later, she admit again in the hospital. She's sick. She a faint. She a drop down. She a faint. She go to the doctor. She a faint. From she come back from the hospital. When me tell you say this is somebody will walk in a hospital, fine, never did a drop down, nothing at all never happened. Before she go in the hospital. So, we decide that me I go apply for a visa. The visa application take long for come through. Think about 6 months to take before she get a date. Guys, when me telling you say, my mother sick every minute, she there doctor. From doctor to hospital. She a faint, then go find her pass out. Then go find her, she faint, she a pass out. She have multiple strokes. By the time the visa application for come through, multiple after she left the hospital, multiple strokes she have. But me no go to Jamaica because me there work. Me just start work. Me can't left the job where me I do. Me have bills here for pay. Me just come America. My husband just a start to bill. So me can't go to Jamaica at that time. But me want her to come. So when she come here, and this is something when we really want to talk about it, it's like you just rest my mind and me not think me talk about it. So my big daughter, me have to ask her, she did down there, me have to ask her to go to the interview because mommy couldn't talk. When me tell her say, between that 6 months of going to the hospital, admit and all them something there, between that time, it's like she take time become a vegetable so fast. All right. My daddy and me make my daughter go. Me call the embassy. Me call them from up here. Tell them my mother get a stroke and she's not talking. How is it? How it's gonna go for her with the interview? She's not communicating. They said to just send somebody with her. Send my daughter. Daughter go with her. She get the visa. Right away, me buy her ticket because me no know what one. Me not get to understand what is what. And me say me would want her to see if she can get some help here. So me come here. When me pick her up at JFK, me start cry. Because me can't believe say in a less than a year somebody could have look like that. But me couldn't make sure she say me I cry. She don't recognize me. When my daughter said to me, say, Mommy, me don't know if them are gonna left grandma up on the plane, she don't look good. She don't look good. That time I'm my last daughter. That time I think she was like maybe about 16. And she say, me not think them gonna let her. You see, when last you see your mother, you not understand that she said to me, they not gonna let her on the plane. Anyways, me no say nothing. Me not say anything else. Me just say, alright. Me see. She come, and as me say, when she come at JFK, me and my husband go pick her up. And me was so unhappy, me was so sad. It's like she come home, she come and me bathe her. I bathe her, and me bathe her. She could have barely walk. Her foot them swell like a balloon. Um, and it's like she not in her right mind. Literally. Me no know who she is. She don't know, like she don't even know herself. She fall down a lot at Jamaica. She pass out a lot. And nobody no know what go on with her. So, me just did really want her to get the help. To see if she could have just, if me could have just put her under my care and she would have be alright. Me never know say she was like that before she leave. So, anyways, and we decide so we are gonna make she come in our bed and make she stay. In the night, make her tea, bathe her and whatever. Me I say, me think so me, she not look well, me think so me should have carry her go to the hospital. Carry her go to the, I mean now go try to call the hospital name, I go try my best not call the hospital name. Me carry her go to the hospital that is close to me. And when me carry her go there, them look after her. She was in there for 9 days. Every day. Me not go to work. Me go to work, but me did explain to them that me I got to take off some time because my mother is here and she need 100% assistant. I mean never know. So me have her in the hospital and me go there every day. And me go there go bathe her, feed her, do everything, lotion her, pump her. Anyways, the doctor them said them couldn't do her heart is weak and them couldn't do nothing for her. They said they couldn't do nothing for her. So which other hospital there? So them tell me which hospital for care. It was a Jamaican doctor. And he said the hospital here have better treatment for this purpose and then we give her a defibrillator because her heart weak and she got go in a cardiac arrest. If somebody not around, she can pass out and just died. Anyways, long story. I try to cut the story short as possible. Anyways, we decide say we carry her home, you know, me and feed her little and decide say, you know what? The man tell me don't wait. Carry her go straight there. Make them try to help her and give her a pacemaker that will help her to revive. Girl, I'm telling you. Guys, me go there, me carry her go there, and she did it for 2 weeks. Me might know that would be 9 days plus an extra 2 weeks. She did it for 2 weeks. And them decide say them cannot give her the defibrillator because she's not a citizen. Then say them cannot give it to her. Them can just give us the medication and the list of medication, and them giving the medication them was very expensive, but them put her on this program. I think it's like a Walmart program thing where you get the medication cheaper and you know ending up get that for. And we go there every day, guys. That 2 weeks then me did start go back at work. After the 9 days, that 2 weeks then me start go back at work. Me da work at the school and me da work at a nursing home. So me still have to get up in the morning before me go to school and go look for her and bathe her and take care of her. Come home, go to the school, left from the school, reach at my other job 3 to 11, and a summer day was on like a robot. When me telling you say, one day passed, it was a Sunday, I may never go to the hospital. I feel so bad. I feel like I neglect her. Uno no have no idea. Every day my dad at the hospital except that one Sunday day. Me say me I go take off and me I go take off and just clean up my house properly and wash my clothes them and cook some good food. It's not that me not cook, but it's like me not spend no time. Me just a rush cook, me a rush do everything because I'm full and I have so much to do. My little daughter was here, but it's like she not see me more than so because my day was just like this. From the hospital to the to this to that during that time, right? All right. So she barely does see me anyways because me have two jobs. So but she did day here. Guys, so the day now, the final day after the 2 weeks now, I mean decides and them say them I got discharge her. Them I got send her home because there's nothing more them can do for her. Cause them now give her the defibrillator. Alright, I go down there in the morning, I bathe her, brush her teeth, feed her, do everything, sit down there me and her talk to the nurse and them say she's ready to go home. She's a free woman. But we have to wait on the doctor. But them talk about it last night that they were going to discharge her. So I said, okay, sound great. After me do all of that, me left and me go to supermarket. Me go get all of the foods them cause me do my research, me Google food with heart problem and brain. Oatmeal, blueberry, strawberry. The amount of that when me go a shop I go buy. Say me I go boil our banana porridge, which is our iron. Me now go full her up on a whole heap of pills, like no supplement. I go give her good food to eat. And this is how me I go take care of her consistent and she go come back and me feel like God give me the power for her miracle and anoint her with my own hand and she go return back to where she was and she go be better and the heart problem I go away. As so me feel. Me feel like God give me the power to heal my mother. That's what's how me feel, taking care of her. She started to look good. She started to look good. Her foot them a draw down and them something. She started to look so good comparing to how she was when she come here for that time there. If you ever see her, how she start get fresh and plummy again. So I'm excited for her to come home. Anyway, that same day there, same like how me them time them just buy one under pilot. New drivers that. First me I drive, first car me have, and this was a pilot. Park it in front of the apartment where me that stay. And by the time I go up and take off my clothes for go to work, them take away my car. Them two away my car. And I call my husband and I say, you there home? Because him did have a key. And he say, you there home? He said, no. So I say, my pilot, my car, I'm gone. He did park here, so I just run because a fire hydrant, I shouldn't park there. You're really not supposed to park there, but people park there all the time. So I just take the chance to go change my top, because I did I run late for go to work, I go to supermarket, blah, 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 blah. By the time I reach at work, I think it was like, reach at work 3 o'clock, maybe like about 20 minutes after 3, them call me and them tell me, say, my mother get discharged, so I must come pick her up. I call my sister-in-law right away because me and her did communicate and tell her say me I go be in-law. 17 minutes after them call me, I think me have that screenshot with the number we call me and the time right now in my phone. Me can go in my phone and go find it. The time from the hospital and the number we call me 17 minutes after them call back from the hospital and tell me say my mother died. Remember, and just call me, and tell me say she discharged, and tell me say my mother died. I don't know what ended up do. What did happen? When they call me, I can't explain how me behave. I can't do it. Me ball. Me ball on the phone. I'm in at the nursing home, and nursing home me there, I'm start ball. I'm say, Jesus. And seem like how me have the patient, me ask somebody to run, come here. Please watch the patient for me. Please, me cannot stay here. I mean, have to leave. Me go out the door. I sit down on the dirt and me ball and me start call Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Boy, Jesus, me can't say it. Me say, what happened? What did you guys do to her? Jesus Christ, you have to get her back. Me can't even tell on my voice what on top. I me say, you kill her. You kill. Me not even should I even use this word. Me say, oh my God, I me start scream ball. I said, what happened? Oh my God, what am I gonna tell her? My mother have 17 siblings. 17 siblings. She has 17 siblings. And you have to bring her back. You have to bring her back. What did you do to her? You just called me like 10 minutes ago and said that I must pick her up. What happened? You can't do this to her. What did you do? I was like, oh my God, you have to bring her back. You have to. What did you do? What did you do to her? Guys, it's like my body's still just outer space. It's like me don't recover from this situation. Me don't. My husband did their work at that time. Husband that drive bus. That drive the state bus. And me call him and him never answer because you're really not supposed to use your phone. That was even not something to tell him. So me call, but me couldn't help it. I don't remember. Me call my little daughter and me tell her, and me call somebody, I think my sister-in-law. I don't even remember how me get back. No, my husband left and come for me because I was so weak. I couldn't feel my foot. I was so numb. And it's like they were trying to save her. Because they know she fall down. They know she fall down. I tell them, they might try to cover it up. They might try to save her. And them call me back maybe like about 30 minutes after and tell me say them have a pulse. But she in a coma. Oh my God. I don't remember the time frame when they call me back, but them call me back not too long after. So I call my daughter, my husband, she took a taxi come up at my workplace where I was. I couldn't drive. My car, no. Them take away my car. Me ending up a fee. My husband come for me. Him left work right away. He couldn't focus when he called me back. Him have to call them and tell them, say them see how much we scar from me. And him have to call me back and he call him work and he have to leave and him come for me and him carry me down at the hospital. And when we go down there, our mouth like bust, split wide open, wide. When me tell you, it's like them a try fi just tell me say she died and don't try to save her. And try to cover it up. Oh my God, it was a big thing down at the hospital. It was a big talk about everybody, like everybody on the floor know about it. It was a big thing. And this person said to me, say, you have to sue them. And that him I said to me, sue them because they make you fall. Them should have her under whatever. Them know say she had fall risk. Them know say she can go in a cardiac arrest. And that's what happened. She went into cardiac arrest and she fall down. No, we are say she all right now and whatever. You just don't know when it going to happen right there in the hospital. That's how way them say a cardiac arrest she going on. It could have been that she tried to get up and she just tripped also. Because the table was right there. Who knows what happened? Them just tell me say a cardiac arrest them she going on. Them I go at that. Them not even sure. But them go find her up on the floor. So, anyways, me cry come. She spent another month, I think, in the hospital, or almost another month. She spent another long time. And then if them eventually give her the defibrillator to balance with her heart, this machine to balance with her heart. Guys, I'm telling you. It's like she come back around, but to me, she never did know me when she come off at the airport, She never recognized me because she get so much strokes. So she was just living like outer space, But the good thing about it, and it kind of give me closure, she get back better. She was here with me for some months that we couldn't do it no more because, let me tell you, say the amount of bills we have will pile up. I can't even tell you right now how much money we did for this place. The amount of money, the amount of loan we borrow and couldn't pay them back. because me nah work when me used to do the things that when me used to do, me nah do them no more. So just to take care of her, it's like me give up everything, and it's like me just get messed up. Everything just get messed up because me want to take care of her. Then eventually the hospital give me a letter to make the family them come here. Some of my family them applied for the visa, them never get it. But brother get through, and him would have able to come and spend some time. Brother was here for like, was about some 3 months, one long period of time. And during that time, I get to bond with my mother and spend quality time with her. But she just never know me. She'd have called me her last daughter at one point, and knowing how close me and my mother was, me used to feel after me get bigger and realize, me used to feel like I am the only child my mother have because of the bond with me and her share. So if I never spend that time with her, and if she did that Jamaica and she get sick and pass, then I don't know what would happen to me if we never spend that time with her when she was here, even though she wasn't like, herself. But we get to love upon her and take care of her and treat her nice. And also, when my brother was here, my brother used to show her, take care of her too. My mother blessing upon him right now. We can't say no better than that. But my mother lived like for another year. But it's like, she never have quality of life because she don't really know anybody. I don't think if she did know her husband when she passed, like, but she get up back and she could have able to go back to Jamaica, um, and how she look when she did go back, she look better than how she was when she come here. She look fresh, and even though she never in her right mind, she never her foot them never swell up like that. The only sad part of it is that at that time me that work minimum wage, me just come here and me and my husband. My husband just start him job with him and we are pay rent. We have bills. So just imagine me have my 4 kids at Jamaica. Them never there here yet. If it was now, my mother would have never returned to Jamaica until me see progress because me feel like, you know, the blessing is like me just feel like me could have just get her to where she was. But at that time, me not have no family member here where could I keep her, nobody where me could I leave her with because she's not a citizen. She not qualify for certain things. So me have to send her back home. And when me tell her said that part pain my heart. It pain my heart. And then now, me and my sister, my big sister, my mother have this bond that is just unbreakable. And now my sister passed and my mother passed. My sister died last year. That is another story. From them say liver cancer. Oh, that is another story. Because now it's like me just I think about them and me feel so sad them is not them missing from my life. They were so close. Me and them was so close. Them he taught the money, money, and tell my sister don't tell her what was our problem. My sister did have a little problem from she take that thing. She started to have complications. She started to go a doctor back and forth. I tell her not trouble it, because she have underlying illness. And she never feel she don't have the little thing and adjust that. She don't have the little complain, say her stomach not feel well. Cause sometimes my sister not eat right and them something and she da complain for her stomach, but at the same time, if she da eat and me I try to guide her into cut off of the grease and certain things because them something they develop in them things they me I cut her off. But is that, from she take that thing, the shot is like it's like one thing happen after the other, she a pass out, she a this, she a that. It was too much. Then them say, um, I can't go into this, but me just never get closure. I just want to share that story. I don't know if we know it. This video gone way too long, but me there, I'm just I think about my mother and my sister. I just want to share this story with you guys, and I just want to think because it just made me feel like a part of me still missing. A part of me can't understand why this, what happened. My mother have a little place and this lady, she called me and tell me, say this lady just have jealousy and she cuss her off and tell her that she not gonna live long in her place. So she, and sometimes when you remember these things, it just make it break you down. Like, my mother is not the kind of people who trouble people. But you see, everybody who wished, and also my sister was getting fight too. My sister used to complain to me a lot about this individual that they are around her and them something. And they used to get a lot of fight. Well, not my mother, but this lady alone, my mother did have the problem with. And she said the lady literally tell her, say she just build up her house and she not gonna live long in it. And the same problem my sister did have to with this individual, them the boy this individual where she always a complain to me about. And when she died, things bust out up at the church. People cuss the individual, same place up there in at the funeral. But do like me not here. But me know say my sister that talk about this person and say the person, she said some really, really terrible things. But who knows? A God me say. I may leave them to God. But sometimes it's just some things just you just question some things when it happen. Like, what if? You know? I mean, what if? Sickness is sickness and sickness occur. But you can also do things to add sickness to your body as a human. And but at the same time, my mother was a Christian, my sister was a Christian, and may their soul rest in peace. But today, me just really feel so sad. And sometimes you just ask yourself what you could have do, what me could have do differently. I try with my sister so hard. I try with my mother so hard. And it's like sometimes me still feel like me feel them both. I have I have put so much work into them when it comes to caring for them, love them, and then them just missing from me. Um, with not a full explanation, you know. Yeah, I understand that people die from cancer all the time, but it just creep up on her just like that. And then the doctor them like them a treat her for different things, and then last minute when them realize say she not gonna be alive, you make me question things. Same thing with my mother. It start off with cold a rockle on her chest. When she should do x-ray, I just the cold. Nothing ever wrong with her heart when she go to the hospital. So it make you question all these things. What the hell is happening? What caused them something here? I take care of myself. I try my best to take care of myself. My father, drink but consistent. My mother don't. It made me question myself. It made me question all kind of things. And it still bother me. I just feel like I don't get closure neither from my sister nor my mother. Because it was two people whom I love dearly. And we just don't know. We don't know. Anyways, tell me your thoughts. Gone. Feel sad. My mother fall down and them a cover it up. She fall down and the hospital table them where they have. She fall down, bust her mouth, split her mouth like big wide open. Them split her mouth it split. And there she go. That's what happened. Bruise up her face, bruise up over her eye, bruise up everywhere.